Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Binance wallet. Connecting your wallet allows you to interact with various decentralized applications and services. We'll cover the essential steps, from choosing the right connection method to ensuring your assets remain secure. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly, giving you confidence in managing your digital assets across different platforms. There are a few primary ways to connect your Binance wallet. One popular method is using Wallet Connect, which provides a secure bridge between your mobile wallet and decentralized applications. Another common approach involves browser extensions, such as MetaMask, which allow direct interaction with Web3 platforms. Some services also offer specific third-party integrations for a more streamlined experience. Security is paramount when connecting your wallet. Always double-check the URL of any website you are connecting to, ensuring it is legitimate. Enable two-factor authentication on your Binance account for an extra layer of protection. Most importantly, never, under any circumstances, share your private keys or recovery phrases. These are the ultimate keys to your funds. If you encounter issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, as this often resolves minor glitches. Ensure your wallet application or browser extension is updated to its latest version, as updates frequently include bug fixes and performance improvements. If problems persist, reaching out to Binance support is always a good next step for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.